and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Guess what I'm doing in the kitchen today? I'm going to unbox my new Belgian waffle maker. It is from Ninja. You know I love Ninja products. You know I got a Ninja air fryer over here. I got another Ninja air fryer over there. I've got a Ninja blender. You've seen those in some of the videos. You see me use them all the time. I love Ninja products. But I got a new waffle maker. Look at this. So I wanted to share it with you guys and open it together. So let's get to it. Let's see. My glasses. So it comes with, I guess it's a recipe book. Yeah, and instructions as well. It's packed in here pretty tight. Oh, there we go. I see a little measuring cup that came with it. See how it says Ninja on the handle. And the way this is shaped, I can keep this on the counter. Look at this. Let's take some of this off. So, you see how this is made? It stands up. And so I can leave it on the counter without, you know, it being like this, taking up a lot of space. So, as you can see, it has your knob here that has 3 different settings. And this is where you would pour the, let's see. So look at this. You push this button and that's how it opens up. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 waffle things. You can make one huge Belgian waffle, or you can make 4 small ones, or if you just want to make 1 or 2, you know. I love it, I love it, I love it. And it goes with the decor in my kitchen, of course. It's black and silver. As you can see, everything in here is black and silver. We've got a new toy to play with. I am not cooking on it today, but when I do, you will be the first to know. You guys come down in the comments and let me know what kind of waffles you want me to make. Remember, there's already a pecan waffle video out there that I have. Go check that one out. But we can make so many different things, play with it. Come down in the comments, like I said, tell me what it is you want, what kind of specialty waffle you want, or if you just want waffles with butter and syrup. And that's what we're gonna do. But in the meantime, I'm gonna wash this, put it up, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.